How to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. It is quite easy and simple to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Launch WhatsApp app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account and choose the particular contact whom you want to stop from calling without blocking on WhatsApp. Once you're on the section, tap the username at top of the screen. Select notifications and ensure to toggle on the button for mute notifications. Choose the duration and tap OK. You can choose 8 hours, 1 week, or always. You can easily change the notification if you wish using the same steps. So that's it. That's how we stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.